Hey guys, so I'm going to be trying on every single shirt that I own. Yay! And deciding whether or not I'm going to keep them. But first I have to grab them. So give me 1 second. So these are just the ones that are hanging in my closet. Might as well get started. First things first, I am already wearing this one. Keep. Definitely keep. This is one of my favorite shirts. It's just chill. You can wear it with anything. Okay, this is my next shirt. It says Las Vegas. I know it looks really dirty and dusty, but it's actually it's actually sparkly. I don't know, I really like the cut. I like how it kind of goes like to here. It's like chill. Yeah, it's like chill. I'm keeping this one. Keep for sure. Put it in my keep pile. This one is the same as the blue one, so keep. I also have a green one in this color, but very simple, very easy. Keep. So I actually recently just thrifted this shirt, and it is one of my favorites right now. So I think I'm gonna keep. Not think. I know I'm gonna keep it. It's very comfy. It's like my most comfortable shirt that I have. So yeah, keep. So this is another one of kind of form-fitting. This one is very important, actually. I use this one for job interviews and stuff, so absolutely keep. Fortunately, so far, I've kept everything. I need to start getting rid of stuff. Speaking of, I got this shirt my senior year of high school, and I've worn it maybe twice since then. I don't know. I don't think I like it. It's not bad. I don't wear it. That's the thing. I don't wear this shirt. Get rid of, donate, sell, whatever. First of many. Okay, so I don't know that this would be considered a shirt, but my mom got me this, so I'm gonna keep it. Keep. It's cute. And it's very comfy. It's nice and soft. Yeah, keep. So I got this shirt freshman year of college, and I've worn it maybe once or twice, but I don't know. I love it still. I feel like it fits really good. I don't know. I love it. I like the star. I like the fit. I like the material. It looks like it would shed, but it doesn't. It doesn't. The only thing that sheds is my dog. Keep. So this one is kind of giving I need to stop saying that. The sleeves are a little big is what's the problem. But besides that, I love the shirt. It's kind of like I don't know. I like it. I'm sorry. Keep. I've only gotten rid of one thing so far, but a lot of these are newer shirts. I think I got this one freshman year of college as well. So I just got this one under a month ago as well at a thrift store. Keep. I like the cut. I like the length. I like how it's just covers the belly button. I like the stripes and the colors and all. Keep. So this one's a little tight. I like it. Keep. 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 Okay, this is where things get a little funky. I just zipped my hair into the shirt. Gone. Disposed of. Done. So when I got this, I was convinced I was gonna be a winter princess. I was gonna be a winter wonderland girl. I was gonna make this cute outfit with this. Because look, it has these cute little fluffy things, cute little fluffy collar, but genuinely, what is this zipper? And why is there two? Donate. So I have this shirt. I don't hate it, but I don't wear it. I don't know. It's a bit of a weird shape. I feel like if it was, straight across, maybe, I would wear it. But then again, that's also really cropped. This is a cute shirt, but I wore it once. It's not really my vibe anymore. I'm not gonna ever, look at this in the closet and be yeah, I wanna wear that. So, don't. This is my next shirt. It's cute. I haven't worn it in a long time. It's just a basic white shirt. Basic white long sleeve. Keep. I've literally only gotten rid of 4 things so far, but shh, look at this angel. Oh. Good morning. So I wore this shirt maybe twice. I don't know, it's cute though, still. I can see myself wearing this in some situation. Like, if not like this, then as like, just on top of like a shirt, that'd be cute. I kind of feel like a scientist right now. Like, something about this is giving like white lab coat. Even though this is like a light blue. I think I'm gonna donate this. I think somebody else could get more use out of it than me. I think I'm gonna keep this. Did I do that? Is this backwards? I think it's supposed to be like that. Anyways, I don't know, it's cute. I love the color. This is cute. Absolutely keep. I'm like putting myself onto clothes in my closet that I forgot I had. So I bought this one and I have not worn it a single time. I bought it at a thrift store that you can't try on clothes at, and I just like, I kept convincing myself that like eventually it would fit me right, but I absolutely hate the neckline. Like, I feel like if this wasn't cut, maybe I'd keep it. And also, like, do you see that? No, thank you. Bye-bye. Don't. Now we're getting back into short sleeves. This is cute. It says California, fun in the sun. I've never been to California. I really like it. The only thing I don't like about it is like how it crunches right here. But if anything, I can take that out. But yeah, it's a nice shirt to just have. So the thing with this one is the star is upside down and it stretches, and I don't know if I like that. This is a cute shirt, yes. It's a cute fit as well, yes. Have I made a cute outfit with it? Yes. Like, do I choose it out of my closet? No. My goodness, it's my baby, it's Nala. Look at the baby. Back to business. Yeah, okay, I think we're gonna donate. Okay, I've had this shirt since I was 14, and I still like it, so. Oh my goodness, my little sweet girl. Sorry. This is another one of those shirts that I've had for a really long time, but I just don't wear it anymore. I got this when I was like 15, 16. I used to wear it to school like at least once a week, but I don't know. I don't vibe with it anymore. That's my teenage self. I'm not a teenager no more. It's cute. But somebody else will have to see the potential in it. Not I. So, this is another shirt I've had for a really long time. You could tell the theme, like the stripes. That was kind of like the vibe in 2021. I don't know. I still like it. I like where it sits. It's not like a weird cut. It's not like here. It's not like, you know, it's like chill. Guys, I still haven't found an excuse to wear this one. Unfortunately, I've had this shirt since like 2023. It's 2026 now, and I have not worn it once. I think I'm gonna give up on it, honestly. I think somebody else will have this shirt. Donate. I feel like this shirt is giving Rapunzel. Just like, you see this cut? This is another thing. 2021, I'm telling you, was the vibe. I wore this shirt maybe 5 times in my life. I don't know, I think somebody else can benefit from this. Donate. Guys, the donation pile's finally growing. This shirt is cute, but honestly, I don't know if I like where it ends. I don't ever choose it to wear. I think I'm gonna donate. I've had it for a long time. I think she served her purpose and somebody else is gonna love her. Donate. So this one is really controversial because I have a tan colored dog, but listen, I just need a really good lint roller, okay? I love this shirt, I really do. So keep and buy a lint roller for sure. Donate. Young, independent, smart, beautiful women charge their phones with their laptop charger. Next. Oh, I love this shirt and I don't wear her enough. Take 2. Yes! You could tell I like a specific style of shirt. This used to have a little bow in the middle, but I ripped it off. It's just like a basic shirt to like wear. Like, it goes with this. It goes with these shorts. This shirt, my friends, is called a G-Man, and you get them from the gas station. It's like chill. Like, what if I like want to work out, or like, you know, what if I'm working and I want to wear it, or what if I want to wear it? Exactly. You would wear this too if you had it, and you know you would. Guys, I keep finding my friend McKenna's hair on my stuff. So actually, I got this shirt recently for a specific reason. I work outside. I was like, this would be a cute outside shirt. Like, I like how it buttons up like that. It makes me feel real like explorer, like, what's another word? Adventurer in the video games, like Lara Croft. She definitely doesn't wear this, but maybe she, no. But like, you know, that kind of vibe. This side's kind of giving pirate a little bit. Yo ho. I need to stop saying it's giving. It reminds me of pirate. Rolling it up is like, nice, it's adventurer. And that's the vibe I need for an outdoor working shirt. Next. Oh, sorry. We're getting near the bottom of my pile. So I like this shirt because it's like, I don't go to that school. Yale University. Is that Snoopy? I like pretending sometimes. Like, oh yeah, Yale University. But then also, it's just a nice shirt to have, so keep. Another G-Man. The green version of that shirt from earlier. This is just a green long sleeve. I love it. My hair is like ruined on this side. That don't matter. Keep. Olivia Rodrigo shirt. Keep. I actually have not tried this on since I bought it, and it fits better than I thought it would. Cute. It's like an outdoor worky shirt, you know? Cute. Keep it. Keep. I just bought this like a week ago. Not even. It's the last thing in my pile. Keep. It's like a little, you put it over stuff. And it's adorable. I might have it on backwards though. I think it's like fall vibes. Ooh, keep. Ugh, now that that's done. Now it's time for all of my short sleeves and my tube tops. Yay. I guess it's technically considered tank tops and tube tops. Keep. Just like, oh, like a hot summer day with shorts. Keep. I love this shirt. I really do. It's like cute. I like the like pattern on it. So it's kind of like got that stitching. It's like a summer shirt, in my opinion. I can see myself like wearing this to like a beach town, or I put it on backwards. It's cute. Okay, I've got this nice little bun in the back of my hair now. This is really cute. I like wearing this one with like skirts, but I feel like it's like a very good fit. Mine is right here, but like I love it too much regardless. This one I haven't worn in a minute. There's nothing wrong with that. I don't know if I like the color that much anymore. It's kind of like pale. I think I'm gonna do it. This is like one of the only pink shirts I own, and I hate it. I don't like it. It's not my vibe. Sorry. So this is actually one of the cutest shirts I've ever owned. Do you see how cute that is? What? Always. I think I'm probably never ever gonna get rid of this. I think I got this at a thrift store too. This is a cute like little top. I think maybe for like a summer day at like the beach or something, you know, somewhere where it's like really hot. It fits nice. I think this is cute for like bed. That's about it though. Cute though. So I got this one years ago for the beach, but I haven't worn it a single time. And don't get me wrong, it's cute, but I don't think I'm ever gonna wear it, honestly. I think I'm gonna do. Oh, is that a dead fish? Okay. It's cute though. I like the color for sure, but I don't think I'm ever gonna wear this. I dressed up as a cow for Halloween one time when I was like 16. Donate for sure. This doesn't go here. I just didn't tie it all the way, but I love this shirt. If anybody knows like where to find more shirts like this, please let me know, because this is like one of the cutest shirts I have. It kind of makes me feel like a fairy. Like it's like a Tinkerbell vibe. Nice. My mom got me this one. It's cute. I think I would just wear this like at home though, because my mom got it for me. This is cute. I got this I think my freshman year of college, and it's like spring. It's kind of this one is very cute. Definitely keep. I like this one. I like the pattern on it. It's kind of like stars, you know. No, oh my god, stars, flowers. So I guess I accidentally tied this in a knot at some point, but I'm gonna do this for sure. I think this is kind of like the 2022 vibe, and I never wore it, not one single time, so donate. Ooh, I forgot how the shirt looked on. I'm gonna keep this. I feel like it could be used for something, like some occasion, even just chill, like as an outfit. This is nice. I like this. Okay, this is supposed to look like this, but I don't know. I don't hate it when it's tied right, which would be like that. I think keep. Hello, you can see my farmer's tan. So this one's from the same time as the other one that looks like this except long sleeve. Why is it shiny like that? I think I'm gonna donate it. I don't know, I don't like it anymore. Donate. Okay, so I lied. I actually have other pink things. This is my other pink thing. But I think I like the color of this one a lot more than the other one. Like, it's like very bright. This is like the only acceptable pink item of clothing I have, so I have this one in 3 colors, so I really like it. I don't know, it's like chill. I like the back and everything. It's like a nice shirt for whenever it's hot. So keep. I like this shirt. Keep. Apparently I have this in white, except the other side. I kind of like this one more. I think keep. I don't know, I feel like I could see like myself having an event or something to where I want to wear this. Keep. I forgot I had this shirt. I love this shirt. I got this shirt in 2021. And it's just, I love that. I love that. I love that. Keep. Okay, so apparently I have a different type of shirt in this color. Like all different types, long sleeve, regular. I think keep, honestly. Donate. I don't hate it. It just, it's a little stained, which is fine, but not my vibe anymore. This was my vibe when I was like 15. Donate. It's cute, but keep. I feel so like biker. What is that? What is that? Keep. It's like chill. It's like nice for the summer. Cool for the summer. I think I thrifted this shirt a while ago. I don't think I like it. Like I like the vibe. Like I understand why I bought it, but so I have a really weird attachment to this shirt. I don't remember why, but I think it's one of the first shirts like I were like really picked out for myself. Keep. Like a mushroom. You know what? Whenever I was picking this up, I was gonna say donate, but I kind of like it. It's just really bad about lint as well. Something about this material. Keep. This is like the only orange shirt I own, so keep. Just because like, what if I need to wear orange to something one day? Yeah, exactly. Okay, now that we're done, this is the pile of clothes that I ended up having to donate. It's not a lot, but it's definitely not a little. Pretty decent amount to go and donate. And a lot of weight taken out of my closet, and I have a lot more hangers now. Like, look, this many hangers I just got. I was running out, so perfect. Okay guys, it is so hot today. It has been a few days. I just pulled up to the Goodwill and I'm about to drop off my clothes. Look at that. And I already have a Goodwill bag for it, which is perfect. I'm gonna try to stop myself from going inside and looking, but what can I say? All right, let's drop these off. Goodbye to my clothes. They're not mine anymore. Somebody else is going to wear them and have such a great experience. Be so happy. Their time with me has expired. Now it's time to go. Say bye, Nala. Oh, my goodness, is that my Nala? My sweet little girl. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. I love you. All right, thank you guys for watching.